Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will give you a full review of IONOS web hosting, converting its pros, cons, features, and whether it's worth your money, whether you are starting a website or thinking of switching hosts. This review will help you decide. Open your web browser, then search for IONOS, click the first link. Now, what is IONOS? IONOS, formerly 1&1, is one of the oldest hosting companies around. They offer everything from shared hosting and domains to cloud servers and enterprise solutions. It's especially popular in Europe and known for its affordable pricing. One of the IONOS' biggest selling points is its introductory pricing. Plans start at just $1 per month for the first year. You get a free domain, SSL, and email included. After the first year, prices go up, but still remain competitive. Performance. IONOS offers solid uptime and decent loading speeds for shared hosting. They use SSD storage data centers in multiple regions and HTTP too, which helps with performance. However, it's not as fast as premium hosts like SiteGround or A2 hosting. IONOS offers free SSL certificates, one free domain for the first year, email hosting, website builder tools, WordPress optimized plans. They also have a personal consultant included in all plans, which is pretty unique. Their customer control panel isn't as user friendly as cPanel, but it's decent once you get used to it. If you are a beginner, it might feel a little different, but do offer 24 hours and 7 days support and helpful guides. IONOS provides phone and chat support 24 hours and 7 days. The added bonus is the personal consultant, which can be helpful for small businesses or beginners needing guidance. Now, the downsides. The backend is not as intuitive as some other hosts. Pricing after the first year increases significantly, not the best option for high traffic or complex website. So, is IONOS worth it? Yes, for beginners and small websites, especially if you are on a tight budget, it's affordable, reliable, and comes with good features. But if you need more power, speed, or developer tools, you might want to look at premium alternatives. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.